Condition claiming Pacers lined up for tonight's fourth race, a six-pack on the gate, and the gate is rolling. And the off, Buckeye Battler, and here Kitty Kitty leave together from the center of the track. Mom's Pacific Flight is driven out from along the inside as they race towards the opening turn. And here Kitty Kitty and Randy Gerald quickly up to take over as Buckeye Battler came away back in second. Mom's Pacific Flight away in third. It's a length and a half to Lady Cambest, who came away in fourth. Black Blitz is fifth in front of Hoosier Rosie, who is the trailer as they race midway around that opening turn. And here Kitty Kitty leads them through the opening quarter, 28-3 at odds of 7-1. Buckeye Battler is on her back from second. Mom's Pacific Flight still content to track at this point from third. Lady Cambest is next in line fourth. Black Blitz races from fifth. Hoosier Rosie continues to trail the pack, but he'll angles to the outside as they race towards the half. Here, Kitty Kitty remains at an uncontested lead. Buckeye Battler with a perfect pocket trip from along the inside. Mom's Pacific Flight still there in third as Lady Cambest edges to the outside fourth as they race past the half, 57-3. 29 seconds for that second quarter. Here, Kitty Kitty continues on with the lead as they move on to the far turn. Buckeye Battler is back in second. Lady Cambest now only a length and a half off the lead on the outside third with 3/8 of a mile to go. Mom's Pacific Flight continues to save ground in fourth. They race midway around the far turn. Here, Kitty Kitty still there. Lady Cambest, though, now only a half length back of the outside second. Buckeye Battler from along the inside third. Hoosier Rosie is gap cover slightly on the outside fourth as they race past three quarters, 1:26-4. Lady Cambest and here, Kitty Kitty continue to battle it out at the top of the lane. Buckeye Battler trying to thread horses late. Hoosier Rosie is up on the far outside. It's wide open as they drive for the finish. Hoosier Rosie up on the far outside. Buckeye Battler, Lady Cambest, but it's Hoosier Rosie. Hoosier Rosie gets up to win it from Buckeye Battler, who was second best. Lady Cambest finished third. Here, Kitty Kitty was fourth, 1:55-4.